Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hasmi Rumbia. Here I will tell you a little about my experience when conducting interviews about Pelagandong Tayas in Halong country with my group friends. So, when my friends and I did an interview about the Pelagandong Tayas, that's where we got to understand more about the Gandong Tayas there. At first, I thought that in Halong they also had Pela Tayas. It turned out that when they did the interview, they only had Gandong Tayas. And that's not the whole of Halong country, but only has family ties between the people of Halong country and Hitu village. During this interview, I gained knowledge about various things, such as information that I had not known before about this Michelle Bond. Then direct interactions with other people I had just met that day. Also different views from him regarding the Gandong there. All my friends, when I arrived in Halong country, at first I had a feeling of fear when I wanted to visit and do an interview there. I had a feeling and felt that maybe we would not be accepted there for reasons of religious difference. Then I was afraid that he would disturb by our arrival. But I am very grateful that it turns out that all my feelings were wrong. There we were received, well served, and he even made time for us to do an interview. Even though he was busy because our arrival coincided with him renovating his house, so he is busy cooking and so on. Previously, when carrying out the interview activity, we faced several problems. So the distance from Staying to Halong was not too far, and we went to Halong by public transportation. When we arrived in Halong, we wanted to go to the village office, but it turned out that the village office was closed. Because we came, it was Saturday, so they had the day off. Then we decided to go to the king's mother's house there. But when we got there, the king's mother was out of town. Then we decided again to go to the priest's house. It turned out that when we asked to people, there were where the priest's house was. The person who was scared he told us to just go to the village. A secretary, namely Mr. Ellen Sutrahiton, while her house was in Galala near the gas station, very far from where we were. Then we walked and took a public bus to his house. When we arrived, it turned out there was at the market. Finally, because we were tired, we decided to wait for him until he came. Because at that time we were very tired and then thirsty because the weather or the sun was very hot. So to get the result of the interview, we were faced with this problem and then felt weak because we were thirsty and hungry and also tired. Maybe that's all my stories about my experience when conducting interview in Halong. Thank you for listening to the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.